Do you procrastinate around the maintenance of your home? Do you hate the idea of spending a whole weekend or more just trying to keep up with everything that needs to be done? You maintain your car on a regular basis to keep it safe and maintain its value, right? Why not an even bigger asset, your home? And we got a solution for you. Hi, I'm George Black, one half of the Black Real Estate team with my bride, Karen. We serve our friends and clients here in Silicon Valley and are part of 2 nationwide referral networks so we can help you with all your real estate needs around the country. Karen and I are always in the pursuit of creating value-driven partnerships that improve our clients' overall experience, even extending past the close of escrow. We've sourced a partnership that protects one of your biggest assets and keeps your family safe. Homesmiles is a property maintenance company where professional technicians complete an 18-point annual maintenance schedule in just 1 day. I know my honey-do list can take several months or more to complete. With Homesmiles, you benefit from major cost savings and time efficiency using a bundled maintenance service instead of calling multiple vendors. Check out this video from Homesmiles.
Your home is like your car. It requires regular maintenance. Let Homesmiles help. The Homesmiles team will clean your gutters, wash your windows, flush your water heater, change your furnace filter, and much more. Book your 18-point service today at homesmiles.com. Smile. It's done.
If you want to keep your home smiling on an annual basis, simply give us a call. We'll get you connected. As always, we hope this is helpful. If you enjoyed this information, please share it with someone who may need it. If you have any questions, please let us know via email or text, and we will try to answer them in a future video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.